Welcome to Product Critique, where we help you find the best products on the market. Today, we're going to talk about what we believe is the best catalytic converter out there, the MagnaFlow Catalytic Converter 51207. Whether you're looking to replace your old, worn-out converter or just want to ensure your vehicle runs at its best, this product is designed to deliver top-notch performance. The MagnaFlow 51207 is a direct-fit, OEM-grade catalytic converter that guarantees compliance with the stringent emission standards set by the federal EPA. This means not only will your vehicle pass emissions testing, but you'll also be doing your part in reducing harmful pollutants. This product's performance and reliability have been tested extensively to ensure it meets all the required emissions regulations. What makes this catalytic converter stand out is its precision engineering. MagnaFlow uses state-of-the-art 3D scanning to ensure a perfect fit for your vehicle, making the installation process as smooth and hassle-free as possible. With this direct fit installation, you don't need to worry about any modifications. Plus, all the necessary hardware is included, so you can get to work right away. Durability is key when it comes to catalytic converters, and the MagnaFlow 51207 excels in this area. The spun body design, made from durable stainless steel, resists corrosion and ensures the converter can handle high temperatures. The mandrel bent piping, integrated O2 port locations, and well-engineered butt joints all contribute to a long-lasting product that provides optimal exhaust flow and improved fuel efficiency. Now, if you're someone who values peace of mind, the MagnaFlow 51207 comes with a 5-year, 50,000-mile limited warranty. This ensures you're covered for a significant period, allowing you to enjoy your new converter without worrying about any potential defects. In conclusion, the MagnaFlow Catalytic Converter 51207 is a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable, efficient, and durable replacement. Its advanced design, easy installation, and long warranty make it a standout option in the automotive market. So, if you want the best catalytic converter for your vehicle, this is definitely a product worth considering. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more reviews on top products that you need to know about.